Rhyme Crime by Jon Burgerman. Once upon a time, a thief committed a crime. Everything he stole was replaced with a rhyme. Hammy's brand new hat was swapped for a cat. Meow. Gumpop's lovely head became a slice of bread. Oh, crumbs. Arnie's comfy chair was switched for a bear. Yikes. Toodle's loyal dog was taken for a log. Bark, bark. Moo Moo's fancy clogs were swapped for some frogs. We're slippy, not slippers. Gertie's pretty house was now a giant mouse. Do you have some cheese? Eat. Marlowe's happy smile became a crocodile. Dingle's mighty sneeze, achoo, was swapped for stinky cheese. Cheese? Ooh. Blue's gummy cake was taken for a snake. Sleepy Boomer's brain was switched for a train. Toot toot. The thief took Tumble's orange and swapped it with a sporange, smorange, morange, thorange, orange, gorange, was orange, borange, dorange, porange. There's the thief. Is this the end of this tale? The thief was taken to jail. What terrible luck. I'm truly stuck. But by the very next day, the thief had run away. How did he escape? The end.